Breaking news, come SSPDF can SPLM IO koren to kam dien ejen bia link ejen gwasame kan konore ler kaname mi jira mi jidit ka Nuer online TV channel gore jen o jender jen yak nasin kokien ko de ler titi de kan chamala shup gore jen o bajin de subscribe mi kan subscribe ne wen ko dara support dara jakolo nyot ke Nuer online TV channel gwasame men bukono ling ler dan chano enwo South Sudan People Defense Force shikan no shike SPLA IO containment site shikana kef gwada dan kef kanatin kef kana ka Western Equatoria ajan gwasa dan ante IO tetin na me miji kana lat kwaler mo kwala ngun ka shanga wal joka pairo ron kina dangro wide jan dangro wide diech gore jeno beje ladje ka thoknath kenyam ka kore beje wo ladje ka thok English en mo lat kono me gwasa me ka kor dan chitu kam SPLM IO kan kuumɛ SSPDF ke South Sudan People Defense Force en Korean mo tuogare which mutual ka Rangu jan gwata dan te SPLA IO tetin sianga jeno tangwas ne ke ka jan kor jogo na makelo kuji IO ku kan complain no kan ila ka maka gweje dan tikitin ka Western Equatoria wije me wije mitere which ka Yambio ke ka Western Equatoria State ka capital Yambio Rangu jan gwada dan te SPLM IO tetin jan gwasa dan na men kap ke dorin tin ba la dorme dorin mishaling ana dorin take a video mi kan las online kan the content la SSPDF lakin ku kan celebrate along re duaran chal ke Rangu ka kor ke mi kan gwad ma kan kap lat kan jen wo kan dor mo kan kap ke gwada dan te SPLM IO tetin take a video footage mi kan las online with shalke General James Nando miteka jen video mo aran SSPDF officer ajaram dan rajano share Rangu cheje kep ke ta baro kurun wang na baka ajen rajadan chalat ke jen video mo chalar nena. This is General James Nando and his colleague ajene James Nando General James Nando kono masnika shine Rangu shine kep ke jen run wangame keb ne ya ka SPLA IO shine ka jure wuch shi General Nando che raj mo che je kwen gwad mete nyur katin rai wuch ka Rangu wuje dan en chicken kep ka SPLA IO ka kor gwaze pai we cha la no kan ji SSPDF chicken ngo chicken gatol gwaze me ne chicken la no gwa ingene ka SPLA IO ke SPLM IO kan it koni lado kan shaka mak SSPDF en duoba joje kam monyo de jagwano kan kanai to sha mak re wujin winami ka Western Equatoria shaka chu jojrar re wujin dana tiketin ka containment side en mengi ka rodienten anyok man cha nyok lat gwasme wa cheteke mai tungwa long ken bon en winami ne ko la resident ke chingan gwasma kan chikan mai tungwa to gwal ke chikan galing long ka Rangu gwada yes kentin ka kora me kan to ka Wednesday gwad me chi South Sudan People Defense Force chikan wo korut kaman chal ke futuyo la governor e kep Yambio ai kone governor Yambio chero da barre ruop ajen kwala goro South Sudan People Defense Force ne de content pinkir ma yadit ajena dan en chala de nono na me tuoga ka kor gwazeda ne shi futuyo chaje woch ka wer kirma yadit gwad me shar raje mo che latin ka television dung South Sudan show te ka ne te lade ne South Sudan People Defense Force to show when winemi ko bikan wuduma bikan o kep ke bikan nagre duare en wana mo chu kor chu to ka chu kan chu joirar gwada dana tetin ke state capital ka yambio ajan je nana je na je chu ringre roben winam you know name she spele IO leader alarik machar cherai ke kirma yadi no de futu yo de jalo gwade ramla governor ke commissioner dung yambio ko ken kon mat pin kan kirma yadit ano che kir ke sab ke ma yadit che jogo no jin der mi chelade der je nyok kami lo je jok ala governor futu yo de jalo gwade ejen rob na ne shiga pekten ngore tema ken kirma yadit tel mi chenalat ka jana la South Sudan People Defense Force ngur ka korut kana mem chal futu yo gor kano ne kana kane de kon jel ka kel wajen kurdan choda lat kon wude me ran SPLM IO che okor SPLM IO jen gwada dana waka juitin re wuje mo karangu kuumɛ SSPDF banje chulinkel ka tuk English bi chu gorno jin bi nyana ko kenba. According to this report, the South Sudan People Defense Forces, SSPDF, said on Thursday it had captured a Sudan People Liberation Army in a position containment site in Rangu village outside western Equatorial State capital Yambio following clashes. A video seen by Sudan Post showed SSPDF soldiers celebrating at the site. A soldier in the footage pointed to General James Nando, who appeared with others SSPDF officers, and claimed they took control of Rangu at 7 a.m. in the morning. This is General James Nando and his colleagues. We captured Rangu this morning at 7 a.m. South Sudan People Defense Force, oh yeah, the soldier said in the footage, in which General Nando appeared sitting with the others as SPDF officers at the cantonment site. SPLM IO said a day earlier that SSPDF attacked the cantonment site while pursuing former Governor Alfred Futuyo, who was removed from his position on Monday night and fled Yambio. Local source said Futuyo may have sought refuge at the Rangu base after his residence was attacked. Residents report heavy gunfire, including machine gun fire, in Rangu area on Wednesday as SSPDF force pursued Futuyo. Futuyo removal has increased tension in Western Equatoria. While some residents welcome President Salva Kiir's decision, analysts warn it could undermine the peace agreement and destabilize the country. SPLM IO leader Riek Machar has called for Futuyo reinstatement, urging Kiir Salva Kiir Mayadi to reverse his decision. And yet, Kiir haven't yet responded up to now. And SPLM IO chairman is still waiting for Salva Kiir Mayadi to reverse or to reinstate Futuyo reinstatement into the position. Well, na me jena dan en men chalat Kiir Mayadi kadob and dan en shiangai gwada men wo shukor mashora lat kije and tema ala containment side dung SPLM IO chaje kef chikanong wotin and winemi shikrodian bar kadob dan shalat kije ne me guyena mo ngum butwoktin be kortun wana long be kenung kam SPLM IO kene kuumɛ South Sudan ki SSPDF na me agenda na go rede nyoka yekel kwaje chair kwaje nywane ko kien ka chuje poro jino jin be subscribe ya takamal bye bye.